Hey guys, we're back for another installment of solving equations. This time we're solving multi-step equations. Example 1. Solve 53 is equal to 3 times the difference of y minus 2 times the difference of 3y minus 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply the distributive property. I'm going to do 3 times y and 3 times negative 2. Then I'm going to distribute negative 2 times 3y and negative 2 times negative 1. This gives me a result of 53 is equal to 3y minus 6y plus 2. I notice that I have some common terms that I can combine to simplify the right side of my equation. So I'm left with the result of 53 is equal to negative 3y minus 4. Now I'm going to add 4 to each side of the equal sign, and I get a result of 57 equals negative 3y. Then I divide both sides of my equal sign by negative 3. My final answer, negative 19 is equal to y. All right, let's look at example number 2. Solve p minus 1 is equal to 5p plus 3p minus 8. Well, what could I do to the right side of my equal sign? Very good. I can combine like terms. I know I can combine these two terms because they both have a p in common and they're on the same side of the equal sign. So 5p plus 3p is equal to 8p. So my resulting equation is p minus 1 equal to 8p minus 8. The next step may vary a little bit because there's 4 different ways you could start the problem. This is how I choose to start mine. I'm going to subtract 8p from both sides of the equal sign. So that leaves me with negative 7p minus 1 is equal to negative 8. Now I'm going to add 1 to both sides of the equal sign. So this gives me negative 7p equal to negative 7. And last but certainly not least, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 7. So my final answer, p equals 1. Example number 3. Solve negative 1 times the sum of 1 plus 7x minus 6 times the difference of negative 7 minus x equals to 36. Some of you may be wondering, how did you know it was a negative 1 in front of the first set of parentheses? Well, anytime I see a negative and no number, I know that it's a 1 in front of there. So that makes it negative 1. So it's negative 1 times the sum of 1 plus 7x. So the first thing I need to do is apply the distributive property. I'm going to distribute negative 1 times 1 and negative 1 times 7x. Then I will distribute negative 6 times negative 7 and then negative 6 times negative x, all of that equal to 36. My resulting equation is negative 1 minus 7x plus 42 plus 6x is equal to 36. What do you think we should do next? Very good. We should combine like terms to simplify the left side of our equation. I can combine negative 1 and positive 42, as well as I can combine negative 7x and 6x. When I combine those terms, I get negative 1x plus 41 equal to 36. Now I'm going to subtract 41 from both sides of the equal sign. And when I subtract 41 from both sides of the equal sign, I'm left with negative 1x is equal to negative 5. My final step is to divide both sides by negative 1. So the result, x equals 5. All right, guys, that's the conclusion of the video. Thanks for watching.